Hello, today is July 13th, 2018. I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the new Sony CyberShot DSC RX100 Mark VI compact digital camera. This will be my first unboxing video. The camera was announced by Sony on June 5th. I pre-ordered it from B&H Photo Video on June 7th during the first minute of the pre-sale. I figured it would be like a live concert ticket where you need to be one of the first ones in case they sell out. It had a set day of availability on July 10th, and they pretty much stuck to that. It was shipped out July 12th, yesterday. I received it this morning, July 13th, about an hour ago. B&H was nice to ship it overnight, so I got it quick. So, since I'm one of the first ones in the world to get this cutting-edge digital camera, I figured why not do an unboxing video. So we have the Caution lithium-ion battery. Standard overnight, your normal B&H packing tape. There we go. The box, some packing material. This is probably my order form. Here's the camera. Sony RX100 Mark VI. Here's the box. Okay, let's open it. Got our literature, limited warranty, some literature, manuals, catalog, reference guide, multiple languages. Lift this out. Here's the pouch with the camera. It is. Wow. Make sure we can see that. There's the RX100. Mark VI is written here. See, the battery's not in there. Let's check. No card, no battery. It's down. We've got the AC adapter. The micro USB cable. This is just out of the way. And, oops. Here's the wrist strap. Here's the battery. I think these are a wrist strap adapter, maybe. And there's the micro USB cable. The battery, which we all know is the same one they use on all of them, the MP BX1 M8 rechargeable lithium-ion battery pack. And there you have it.